my lucky charms, welcome back to my channel, where art and craft pave the way for love, peace, and positivity. So, I was at the local Winners the other day, and I found this tool set. It's called the Versa tool. It can do soldering, wood burning, and hot knife cutting, and more. Multiple uses, all in one. And it was originally priced $50, but now it's on sale for $34.99 plus tax, which is a pretty good deal, I think. Now let's open it up. Oh, this is the temperature control, the tool, and here are all the accessories. I think this is the holder. You'll need this when it's super hot. Be careful when you're using tools like these. You might get yourself hurt. And this holder holds it up really well. And this is the instruction. Nope. Okay, so the full name is called Creative Versa Tool Points and Parts, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my god, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 points. The first one is the universal point. It performs all fundamental wood burning techniques, and the second one is the flow point. Is for wood burns, curves, dots, dot shading, and cursive writing. The third one is the tapered point. It cuts intricate designs with ease in multiple surfaces. The fourth one is the calligraphy point. Create basic calligraphy style lettering, shaping, and burning techniques. The fifth one is the shading point. It creates beautiful side shading and large area shading with a very light touch. The sixth one is cone point. It used to burn fine lines, dots, and curves. The seventh point is the mini flow point. It used to burn small and intricate dots, circles, and cursive writing. And the eighth one is the hot knife point. It cuts and shapes a variety of materials. And the ninth one is the mini universal point. It performs all fundamental wood burning techniques. The 10th one is the hot stamping point. It uses stamping point to create interesting patterns and borders on multiple surfaces. And the 11th one is the lead-free solder. And lastly, we have the soldering point. Use the lead-free solder to join metal. Whew, that's a lot of reading. Okay, this is so cool. I'm very excited to use all of these in my future projects. And since right now I'm totally new to this, I'll start with the mini flow point and flow point today. These seems to be the easiest to start with since you can use them like pens for drawing and writing. I also got these from the local Dollarama for $1.25, and they are natural wood planks. It comes with 4 pieces. I'll use one to practice first. Oh, okay. Wait, so how do you... So you need to do it slowly. The harder you press, the darker it gets. Let's try some shading. Okay. I feel my tool doesn't seem fully heated up yet. The instructions said it would be ready in 5 to 6 minutes, but I couldn't wait. Now I'm just randomly doodling. This is so fun. The squishmallow. Okay, I'm ready. And now I'm going to sketch a rough outline before I start using the tool. And yes, it's Homer Simpson. Oh, I love that show. Oh gosh, I'm so nervous, but that's okay. Let's do the eye. Okay, I'm going to focus and stop talking for a bit. Oh shoot! I did something wrong. There we go. Fixed it. Hopefully. Famous quote. I want to make all the lines thicker. bad for the first try. Let's move on to the next one. Well, I was browsing through my pictures for inspiration on who to draw next. I stumbled upon this adorable SpongeBob fine art. I downloaded quite a while back to use as my display picture. It's incredibly cute. I don't know who the artist is, so if anyone knows, please drop a comment. I really love their style. It's so cute. Alright, time to recreate this piece. I'll be extra careful. I can already see some improvement on my second attempt. It looks much better, though I'm still figuring out how to get rid of those dots at the beginning of each line. Ta-da! How do you guys like them? I am really pleased with the result. But wood burning, it's so hard. You can't make any mistake, and you need an incredibly steady hand. I'm planning to watch some tutorials later and practice more. If you guys are interested, I might make another video to show you how to use the other points. Let me know in the comments. I hope you liked today's video. As always, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye guys!